What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today is going to be a different video, and it's probably most likely definitely going to be extremely emotional. Y'all know that I have been growing out my son's hair. It's just kind of like a tradition in our family for boys. Brushing his hair every morning, every night can kind of be a struggle. Time his hair is down or like anywhere in his face, he gets very frustrated. And as of recently, he has been asking to cut his hair. I went ahead and I made an appointment to have his hair cut. So what we're gonna do is we are going to go ahead and put his hair in a trenza. Then we're gonna cut the trenza off here at home and then take him to like one of those little kids barber shop, you know, the ones with like the little cars and stuff as chairs, to get like his actual cut. But we're gonna do the big chop here. I already know that I'm gonna be a complete mess. Getting the babies ready right now, and then we are going to do the big chop and head off to the salon. So pray for me, girl. I'm really gonna need it. Get your haircut today, okay? You wanna go get your haircut? Are you sure? You don't want your long hair no more? You don't? Why? No more long hair. Are you sure?
Are you done?
I'm almost done, baby.
Why?
Because, honey, I just have to brush it out so we can cut it, okay? I can't. All right, so now he kind of looks like he's in a boy band back in the early 2000s. I was very emotional. But we're gonna go take him to go get it fixed. He's got the, can I speak to your manager here? As soon as I hit record, you know what he said?
What?
Me las cacas pungent.
It's bad. It's so, yeah, it's way past stinky, yeah.
Ezra, you ready to go get your hair cut?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Are you?
Yeah.
Did you want your hair to go bye-bye?
Yeah, my hair wants to go bye-bye.
We're gonna go get Juju. Are you not excited?
Yeah.
You're giving us nothing here, kid.
Bye.
Wow, Ezra. Look at the dinosaurs. Are they silly? Whoa, there it goes. No more hair. You're welcome. We got candy and a bowl. Other side. Hi, baby.
Hi, Juju.
Did you cut your hair? Cut your hair? Oh, Daddy look fresh.
Yeah, thanks.
Cut your hair. I like it.
I like my hair.
You like your hair?
Yeah.
Did you cry while getting your hair cut?
Nope.
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 Isn't it weird?
Yeah.
It is so weird. I can't
It
get
doesn't feel
used
like he's
to
Ezra
it.
anymore.
How do you spell your name?
My name is Ezra.
How do you spell it?
My special.
I know, but how do you spell it? With what letters?
E.
E-G-I-A.
Good job.
Good job, Papacito.
CIA.
Yeah.
Yeah, CIA. It's so stuffing CIA.
It's like fried.
5? Don't eat my butter fries. Give me that.
Butter fries? I already ate one though.
Give me that. It's pain in my mouth.
Yeah, that's how you eat fries.
That's my fries.
It looked so good, I couldn't resist myself. I'm sorry.
Don't eat fries again. You're making me cry.
So if I eat another fry, then you're gonna cry.
I'm not.
What is that face? What is that?
It's a crying face.
Is that Let Juju have one.
Please.
He said please.
Please. Both of you both of them at the same time?
Ezra.
You got some in that bag right there.
You're lucky this time. Don't need your fries anymore.
I know 3 of my boys. This is too many boys.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, P,
Oh!
S, Q, B, W, X, Y, Z.
Why did you say so angry?
Wow. That's it for today's video, y'all. Thank you so much for being here to emotionally support your girl for my baby's first haircut. And look at him. He's over here trying to look like a grown toddler and things. And now he's even trying to tell me what to do. But anyways, I love y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you next time. Peace.